Here are the reasons that I choose Divi over Elementor. And trust me, I've used every single WordPress page builder out there. Elementor also makes me want to rip my hair out. With Divi, you can purchase lifetime access. It's $250, but trust me, it's worth it. I've used it on tons of sites. With access to Divi, you get access to all of their templates and layouts at no extra cost, where Elementor, you have to pay extra for their templates, and it's really annoying. I also find the actual builder to be really easy to learn how to use. So I can easily teach my clients how to use it so they don't have to feel the need to come for me for every little change. I also think it's way easier to set global elements. So elements that are the same over each page and you don't have to change each time. And their support is amazing. I've never had an issue and they're very quick to respond. And I use their support a lot. Let me know what page builder you use and follow me for more about WordPress sites.